Well, it's time for a new project. We need to turn that into a camper van.
Walk 500 miles and I would walk 500 more. Just to be the man who walked 1,000 miles to fall down at Scudo.
In about 4 weeks' time, we're heading off to Uist to do a bit of exploring up there, and rather than use a tent this time, we're going to use the van. So
You're going to use the tent?
oh, sorry, I'm going to use a tent. Julie's going to use the van. Well, Julie and the dogs are going to use the van. I'm going to use the tent. Rex, we're going to go to Uist. You excited? You excited? We're going to Uist. Yeah, we're going to go camping. He wants to go camping.
Right now?
Yep, that right now, yeah. Going camping. Hey, he's looking for his weed. Go and see if the other dog's just as excited. Let's see. Sadie, we're going to go camping. We're going camping. You know, like camping, the tent and stuff. Sadie doesn't want to go. Just doing a quick oil change on the Scudo. Quite an easy one. The oil filter's right at the front there. Really easy to get to. It's a £5 filter, so no excuse for not doing it. I don't know how long the one that was on it has been on it for, so thought it'd be best just to give it a change anyway. Obviously, fresh oil going in it too.